The top 7 most useful inventions by DARPA. ARPANET in 1969, a predecessor to the Internet. ARPANET was created with a budget of $500 million and allows for communication between computers on a single network. GPS in 1973, with a cost of $12 billion. The Global Positioning System provides accurate and reliable navigation and timing data to users around the world. Predator drone in 1995, costing $3.2 billion. The Predator drone provides aerial reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition. Voice over Internet Protocol in 1995, with a budget of $400 million. VoIP allows for voice communication over the Internet. Stealth aircraft in 2001 took $45 billion to create. The stealth aircraft makes military aircraft less visible to radar. Network-centric warfare in 2002, with a budget of $7 billion. Network-centric warfare improves the speed and accuracy of military operations. Exoskeleton in 2006, costing around $400 million. The exoskeleton provides enhanced mobility and strength to soldiers on the battlefield.